Hello students, in the previous video we discussed all the changes that are to be made while changing direct speech into indirect speech. So here again in this video, just to make the concept more clear, we will discuss the rules again, how to change a tense in reported speech and all the other changes as well. So we will be using few examples to make it more clear. First of all, first tense is simple present tense. Simple present tense changes into simple past tense. In direct speech, if simple present is used, then indirect simple past will be used. Okay. And one more thing, said is the reporting verb. If reporting verb is in the past tense, means if it is said here or said to, then you have to change the tense here. Otherwise, if reporting verb is in present tense or future tense, you don't need to change the tense. So here we are discussing the change in tense. So reporting verb will be in past only. So Firoz said, I like to play badminton. Firoz said that he liked to play badminton. This is direct speech and this is indirect speech. We have removed the quotation marks and this comma. I has become he because it will change according to the subject. First form will change into second form as simple present changes to simple past. Firoz said that he liked to play badminton. Here I is capital because sentence starts from I. But here we have changed I into he and sentence does not start from here. So H will become small. Okay. Don't write it in capital letter. It should be small. After that, it should be small in small letters. Next is present continuous tense changes into past continuous tense. Example, Tina said, my mother is going to market. Tina said, remove these quotation marks and comma, that my according to subject becomes her. Mother is will change into was going to market. So here we will not change going, is going, was going, because here also it's continuous and continuous. So you don't need to change the main verb. Is will change into was. Present perfect tense changes into past perfect tense. Example, direct speech. Sanya said, I have done my work. Indirect speech, Sanya said that she had done her work. Sanya said. Said will remain same. Remove these quotation marks and comma and use conjunction that. I will change according to the subject. It's Sanya means a girl. For girl we will use she. Have will change into had. Past perfect. Present perfect changes to past perfect. Have done, had done. My, it will change according to the subject. Her. Sanya said that she had done her work. Next example is present perfect continuous changes into past perfect continuous. Example, Tej said, I have been practicing yoga for 2 hours. When you change it into indirect speech, it becomes Tej said, remove these quotation marks and comma, that I changes according to subject, becomes he. Have changes into had. I have been practicing, had been practicing. So it becomes Tej said that he had been practicing yoga for 2 hours. Next is simple past tense changes into past perfect tense. Direct speech example, Yash said, I visited London last year. When you change it into indirect tense, indirect speech, it becomes Yash said, remove quotation marks and comma, use that. I changes according to Yash, which is the subject, so it will become he. He visited. Visited is second form of verb, means simple past, and it will change into past perfect had plus third form of verb. And here last year, as I told you, I had sent you the list also, that you have to memorize that list. These words which express time or place, they are also changed. So last year will change into the previous year. Yash said that he had visited London the previous year. Past continuous tense changes into past perfect continuous tense. Direct speech example, Uma said Rohan was playing football. Indirect speech, Uma said that, remove quotation marks and comma, that. Rohan will remain same because it's a noun. We change the pronouns, not the names, not the nouns. So Rohan will remain same and its first letter should be capital because it's a name. Rohan was playing changes into had been playing. Was changes into had been. Had been playing football. Next is past perfect tense. If there is past perfect tense in direct speech, then you will not change the tense in indirect speech. So no change for past perfect tense. Hemant said the painters had finished their work before I reached the home. So we are not going to change the tense, but mind this thing that no change only for tense, but you have to change the pronouns and the other words also. Other changes you have to make except tense. Okay. Hemant said that the painters, it will remain same. We are not going to change the nouns. The painters had finished, no change in tense, had finished their work. So here we have not changed their pronoun. Why? Because it's third person pronoun, and third person pronouns, they never change their work before he reached the home. So here I becomes he. I will change according to subject. For Hemant, I is used, so it will become he. He reached a home. Then past perfect continuous tense, again it requires no change in indirect speech. Example, Priya said I had been reading the novel. I had been reading the novel. Priya said that she had been reading the novel. Priya said, inverted commas, and this comma is to be omitted and write down that. She, I becomes she, as small, had been, no change in tense. See, there's no change in tense. She had been reading the novel. Now next, will or shall. If there is use of will or shall in direct speech, then it will change into would or should in indirect speech. For example, he said, I will finish my work. He said, change it, omit these commas, and that, use conjunction that. He said that he, according to subject, he would, will changes into would. Finish, my will change according to the subject, becomes his. He said that he would finish his work. If can is there, it will change into could. Example, she said to me, I can speak English. So here, till here we have not changed said because there was no object given in the reporting clause. But here object is given. She said to me. To whom she said? To me. This is the object. When object is given, then said to changes into told. She said to me, I can speak English. She told me. Said to changes into told. Me will remain same. Never write told to. Some students, they are in habit of writing told to. That's totally wrong. You have to replace said to told. Don't use to with told, okay? She told me that. Remove it and write that conjunction. That I will change according to subject. First person pronoun change according to the subject. She, can will change into could. She could speak English. Next is may changes into might. Example, in direct speech, Amit said, I may invite her to my party. Amit said that he, I changes according to Amit. He, may changes to might. He might invite her to. My changes according to subject, becomes his party. Okay. Must changes into had to. My mother said to me, you must go to bank. My mother told me. Said to changes into told. My mother told me that. This is you. Second person pronoun changes according to the object, and object is me. For myself, I'll use I. So that I must changes into had to. Go to the bank. My mother told me that I had to go to the bank. Then would, should, might, could, ought to, used to. If any of these is there in direct speech, then you are not going to change the tense in indirect speech. Clear? So you have to write down all this, whatever is I have discussed in the video. You will write it down in your grammar notebooks, write it neatly. Hope it's all clear to you. Okay, bye.